happy because I'm all around my family. Thank you very
Ang lalim niya mag-Tagalog. Taga saan po ba si Miss Helen in the Philippines?
Sambales po.
Taga Sambales!
Kagabi, mga taga Sambales, it's a beautiful place. Ang ganda-ganda.
I love to go to Zambales. I heard so much about Zambales. Do you speak Tagalog in Zambales? You did?
Tagalog, Ilocano, Sambal, Madagal.
Ay, Ilocano! Parang mag-Ilocano si Joseph.
Oo. At ang kalagalamtingan. Naturuan po ako kasi mag-Ilocano ng boyfriend ko. O baka, alam mo yung maong pala sa Miss Helen sa
Ano yung maong?
Oo.
Ay, sinasok ka maong. Ay, nakabaong ka.
Sa Ilocano pala Wrangler. Ang pala ang traffic doon, bumper to bumper. Tapos ang relo, DJ Tal.
Ay, gusto ko marinig siya magsalita ng Ilocano. So, sounds exciting. Something ba? Sambal.
Something ethnic.
Yeah, say something.
Sambal, ayun. Sambal, di ba ako nakakarinig ng sambal?
Alam naman ang Sambal.
O, Ilocano.
Ilocano, I know a little bit.
Yeah.
Sinilibit ho.
Ano mo ba si Lilibet? Ay, say something in Ilocano para meron tayong flavor of, dialect, ethnicity. Say, yung pasasalamat ninyo in Ilocano. Ayan.
Thank you for being so much guests here in California Walk.
And I hope you guys are having a good time.
Maraming
Having a good time?
Yeah. One more thing that I want to know. Who brought you here, Madam Helen?
My sister,
Your sister. Where's your sister?
Susan, she left already.
She left already?
Meron pa siyang meron pa mga gagawin si Susan,
I want to let you know that California Walk is here for you to entertain you on your birthday, and I'm hoping that you guys have fun. And it's about time for you to sing right now. And to entertain people. Alright, and
of course, ladies and gentlemen, the birthday song.
ang ganda nakakatay! Yo!
Ayan.
Ladies and gentlemen, panapak po natin the birthday girl singing Where the Boys Are. Applause!
Maraming salamat po. Diyos ko, grabe.
Nakakatuwa, diba?
Ano nangyayari?